Hello and welcome back to another video. So exams can be really painful and stressful when you do not know how to handle them. So in this video I will be explaining how you can handle your exams and how you can give your exams properly and also get satisfied when the results come out. So let's get started. My name is Arun Sharma and I'm a business consultant. So I have divided this video into three sections. First one is what you have to do before the exams, what you have to do during the exams, and what you have to do after the exams. So first things first, you have to prepare for your exams properly. And what I mean by that is you have to listen to your teachers when they are teaching in the classroom attentively, so that you do not have to pay attention, or you do not have to force yourself to read the books entirely. And it is, believe me, it is really difficult when you read the books from page number 1 till the end of the book. So it is really important that you pay attention in the classroom and you ask questions if you are unsure of something, or if you feel uncomfortable about some section of the chapter or a particular topic. Simply ask questions, as many as you can, because it really gives you confidence on that topic, and it also gives you more information, because when you ask questions you move out or you take out some information, and the transaction of that information provides you some more information and idea about that particular topic. So it is really important that you ask question and you pay attention in the classroom, so you do not have to stress yourself before the exams in the books. And if you are still unsure and uncomfortable on some topics or some section of the chapter, simply come online and look for that particular section. Then you will find so many videos with the graphical representations, with audio, with video and everything. So it helps you learn or improve your learning skills, because it has involved so many senses, so you will actually understand the things better. So this is how you prepare for your examinations. So once you are in the examination hall, what you have to do, it is really difficult to calm yourself down, and it is really important that you should be focused and calm during your exams. And let me tell you how I used to do that, because whenever you try and force your brain to remember something, to recall something which you studied last night or maybe 1 week ago, and it becomes really difficult to recall that thing in the particular moment of time when you are actually writing your paper. And the harder you try, the further it seems to remember. So you have to let it go, calm yourself down, because when you are silent, when your brain is silent and focused, you actually remember more things. So you do not have to take stress. And there's a tip for you to how to get rid of stress, or how to lose yourself, or simply silent your brain from all those distractions and everything, is to do yoga exercises, physical exercises. It really helps a lot to tame your mind. And what exactly you have to do after your exams? So I think you do not have to do after your exams, you do not have to do anything after your exams. So once you have appeared in your examinations, you just have to wait for your result and completely move on and start thinking about something else, instead of thinking about your results, because result will not change no matter what. So you have already appeared, you have already given your best, so simply hope for best and start moving ahead, and plan your things and other things for like other activities that you are going to do in future. So this is my tips and trips. And thank you so much for the last video. You guys have shown really huge interest in that video. So I'm also looking forward to working with Utsav and making more videos on taxes and so on. I will let you know in the future videos. So if you have siblings, if you have classmates, share this video to all of those people, those who are struggling, those who do not know how to handle their exams. So, and if you are working, simply share this video to all of your siblings who are currently in schools or universities, and do let them know how they can handle their examinations. So exams are just temporary thing. They are not going to decide what you are going to do in future, what you are going to have after 50 years, or how much money you are going to make in future. It does not depend on this particular exam that you are concerned about. So simply give your best, prepare your best, and let's hope for good results. You do not have to stress yourself. And thank you so much. and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.